I feel like now is an appropriate time to talk. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see some more silent vlogs in the future. It's been kind of weird not talking the whole day. I've spoken today, but like I haven't talked to the camera at all today. So like it feels weird doing that now. Oh my God, thank you guys for 200 subscribers. That is fucking awesome. We hit it last night. I am so pumped about it. Last night I was ecstatic. Like I felt like there was fireworks going off inside my body. It was crazy. I finally reached a milestone thanks to you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your continuing support. Thank you for everything that you do for me. Thank you, Teresa and Josiah. They are the ones who helped boost me to 200 last night. 200 subs, baby, woo! This was a kind of a weird vlog. I'm gonna play like some of the clips that I got prior to this vlog. Hey, look at that. They left their TV outside. What the hell? Your TV's gonna get rained on, bro, and it's not gonna work anymore. Oh my God, these people left their dresser outside. Or TV stand. What the fuck? Everyone's just leaving their shit outside. Why? Oh my God, this dude left his fucking boat outside, bro. I'm not funny. Man, just being outdoors is just the greatest, huh? It's just real good. Right there, up there, that's where me and my mom were in the last nature type video. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Look
at that arch.
Oh my God. Should slide through there.
What if it fell on top of me? Yo. I feel like there's fireworks going on inside my body right now. For real though. Like I know I'm not emotionally showing it in my face. I don't know, dude. It's just like, it's crazy, bro. I am so pumped. I don't really freak out, like I don't know, man. I'm not much of like a, oh my God kind of guy, you know, but this is so exciting. I am so thankful for this 200 subscribers. I have been working hard for this and it's finally happened. Hopefully we keep going up. Next is 300 as I hold up 4 fingers. We reached a milestone. We reached a goal, baby. This shit's happening. Now it's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I love you all very much. Stay happy, keep smiling. Deuces, guys.